Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the most advanced machines, futuristic vehicles, and next-generation technology shaping the world of work and mobility. If you love powerful innovations that change how industries operate, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Because today we're diving into a machine that could completely redefine modern agriculture, the Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester 22.6. In 2026. Farming is no longer just about tradition. It's about precision, sustainability, and smart power. Caterpillar's electric nut harvester is a bold step toward a cleaner and more efficient future, designed specifically for large-scale nut orchards such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. At first glance, this machine looks tough and industrial, but underneath its rugged design is a fully electric heart built for performance and environmental responsibility. Unlike traditional diesel harvesters, this Caterpillar runs on a high-capacity electric drivetrain. That means zero exhaust emissions during operation, significantly reduced noise levels, and lower operating costs for farmers. Early mornings in orchards are quieter, cleaner, and more comfortable for operators, while nearby communities benefit from reduced pollution. Caterpillar has focused heavily on battery efficiency, using advanced lithium-ion battery packs capable of delivering long working hours on a single charge. Fast charging support and optional battery swap systems ensure minimal downtime during peak harvest seasons. The harvesting process itself is where this machine truly shines. The electric nut harvester uses intelligent shaking and collection systems that are carefully calibrated to protect both the trees and the crop. Precision trunk or canopy shaking loosens the nuts without damaging branches, while an advanced ground pickup system collects fallen nuts efficiently, even on uneven terrain. Smart sensors constantly monitor ground conditions, nut density, and tree response, adjusting performance in real time for maximum yield with minimal waste. Automation plays a massive role in the 2026 model. Caterpillar has integrated semi-autonomous driving features that help the harvester navigate long orchard rows with impressive accuracy. GPS guidance, obstacle detection, and lane-keeping assistance reduce operator fatigue and improve overall productivity. One operator can now manage longer shifts with consistent results, while built-in safety systems ensure the machine reacts instantly to unexpected obstacles or changes in terrain inside the operator cabin. Caterpillar delivers a modern, tech-focused environment. The cabin is spacious, climate-controlled, and designed for all-day comfort. A large touchscreen display provides real-time data on battery levels, harvesting efficiency, system diagnostics, and maintenance alerts. Operators can customize performance modes depending on orchard layout, tree type, or soil conditions. Everything feels intuitive, making the transition from traditional machines to electric smoother than ever. Durability remains a core Caterpillar strength, and this electric harvester is no exception. The chassis is reinforced for heavy agricultural use, while critical components are sealed and protected from dust, moisture, and debris. Caterpillar's experience in construction and industrial machinery clearly shows here, delivering a machine built to last through demanding harvest cycles year after year, one of the most impressive aspects of the Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester 2026 is its long-term cost efficiency. While electric machinery may have a higher upfront cost, the savings in fuel, reduced maintenance, and fewer mechanical parts quickly balance the investment. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and predictive maintenance software mean less downtime and more profit during harvest season. For large orchard owners, this machine isn't just eco-friendly. It's a smart business decision. Sustainability is at the heart of this harvester's mission. As global agriculture faces pressure to reduce its environmental footprint, Caterpillar's electric solution helps farmers meet stricter regulations while maintaining productivity. Paired with renewable energy charging stations, this machine can operate with an incredibly low carbon impact, setting a new benchmark for green farming equipment. Looking ahead, the Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester 2026 represents more than just a new machine. It represents a shift in how agriculture embraces technology. It blends power, intelligence, and sustainability into one rugged platform that feels ready for the future. For farmers, it means higher efficiency and lower costs. For the environment, it means cleaner operations. And for the industry, it signals that electric heavy machinery is no longer a concept. It's reality. If you enjoyed this deep look into one of the most advanced agricultural machines of 2026, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow tech and farming enthusiasts, and subscribe to Daily Drives for more futuristic vehicles, heavy machines, and groundbreaking innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one with another incredible machine shaping the future.